macOS Mojave finally brings the much awaited dark mode, and it is beautiful. It changes everything on macOS to an awesome dark shade, and I love it. Well, to my surprise, Windows 10 already has a really cool dark mode. All you need to do is go to the personalization settings and then go to the colors option. Here you can just scroll to the bottom and set the default app mode as dark. This changes all of the app windows and stuff to shades of black and grey, which honestly looks really good. However, the taskbar and the start menu don't change. But you can just pick a dark color manually and you're all set. So there you have it, a dark mode on Windows that's pretty similar to what you get in macOS Mojave. macOS Mojave also brings a beautiful new dynamic wallpaper that changes according to the time of the day. It has some really incredible effects and looks stunning. Well, if you want dynamic wallpapers on Windows, first you'll have to download the macOS wallpapers. If you've done that, just create a folder and move the wallpapers here. Also, make 2 copies of each wallpaper. Once you're done, just head to personalization settings and choose slideshow in the background drop-down menu. Select the folder you just made and set change picture to every 6 hours. Then just disable shuffle and enable allow slideshow when on battery power. That's it, your wallpaper will now automatically change just the way it does on macOS Mojave. Another thing that's new in macOS Mojave is desktop stacks. These are extremely useful for people like me who have a cluttered desktop, because it turns a cluttered desktop into a non-cluttered desktop. So if that sounds like a feature you might be interested in, you can install the Fences app. The app will automatically categorize all the things on your desktop in these nice looking stacks. If you want a more minimal look, you can enable roll-up fences by double-clicking on any of these stacks' title bars. This looks cool, right? I know it's not the same as macOS Mojave, but hey, it's good enough. One of my most favorite and most used features on my Mac is Quick Look, and with macOS Mojave it gets even better and more powerful. Now I can just open an image or a video in Quick Look and even get some basic editing options right there. That is awesome. Well, you can get Quick Look on Windows pretty easily. You can just install this free Quick Look app from the Windows Store and that's it. Now you can just select an image, video, etc. and just press spacebar to get a quick look at the file. The app does not bring the same functionality as macOS Mojave, but it's very close. Macs have always had a pretty solid screenshot tool, but in macOS Mojave, Apple made it even better. You now get a nice screenshot HUD at the bottom of the screen with options for different types of screenshots, screen recording and even timed screenshots. It's awesome. Well, you can get almost the same functionality on Windows with an app like TinyTake, which has keyboard shortcuts to take screenshots, make a screen recording, and even capture video from your webcam. Plus, like macOS Mojave, once you take a screenshot, it automatically opens up a handy editor where you can quickly annotate it, add text to it, crop it, and more. However, if you don't want to install an app, the latest Windows 10 builds come with a handy screenshot tool built in along with all the editing features, which should be good enough for most people. macOS Mojave brings a number of new features to the Finder, like the new gallery view, the ability to see complete metadata in the sidebar, and even quick actions, all of which are some pretty handy tools to have. Well, in Windows 10, you can do the same in the built-in Explorer itself. To get the gallery view, simply head over to View and enable the preview pane to get a gallery view-like look on your Windows PC. Also, you can enable the details pane to get stuff like the metadata for an image or any other file, which is something a lot of photographers will find useful. Plus, Windows 2 has a quick actions like contextual feature. I mean, when you're inside a folder full of images, you get picture tools right there. It's really nice.